Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're reviewing the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test, one of the top-rated digital pregnancy tests available for early detection. If you're looking for accuracy and reliability when it comes to detecting pregnancy, the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test is an excellent choice. This test is designed to deliver results with over 99% accuracy, making it one of the most trusted options out there. What sets this test apart is its ability to detect pregnancy up to 6 days before your missed period. This early detection feature is especially valuable for those who want to know as soon as possible. The test works by detecting the presence of the pregnancy hormone, HCG, in your urine. HCG is a hormone that starts showing up shortly after implantation, making this test effective even at lower levels of the hormone. The Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test is not only accurate but also user-friendly. With an extra-wide tip, it allows for easy targeting and a more comfortable testing experience. The unique flashing stop light indicator tells you when enough urine has been collected, ensuring the test works properly every time. Once you take the test, the result is clearly displayed on the digital screen. No need to interpret lines or guess, it will show pregnant or not pregnant in words, giving you a clear and unambiguous result. This is one of the reasons why so many people prefer digital tests over traditional ones. Another great feature of the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test is its smart countdown. After starting the test, a countdown will appear on the screen, reassuring you that the test is progressing and giving you an accurate result within just 1 to 5 minutes. Each pack contains 5 individually wrapped tests, so you have plenty of opportunities to test again if needed. Clearblue is recognized as the world's #1 selling brand for home pregnancy tests, so you can trust that this product meets the highest standards. Whether you're trying to conceive or simply want peace of mind, the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test offers convenience, accuracy, and clarity. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best digital pregnancy test for early detection, the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test is the one to choose. Its combination of reliability, ease of use, and clear results make it a standout product in the market. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we hope this review helps you make an informed decision on your pregnancy test. Stay tuned for more reviews on the best products out there.